Thank you for visiting luscombemotors.co.uk to view our 2020 registered Vauxhall Astra SRI. This is a 1.2 turbo. The car does have, as you can see, a private number plate left on it. That was from the previous keeper who decided not to transfer the plate, but I can confirm that the vehicle was registered in March of 2020, so it is, as things stand, only 18 months old. It's got a fantastic mileage of only 2,223, and hopefully, as the video shows, the car is in absolutely A1 condition. You've got the sporty alloy wheels, this attractive piano black trim that merges really nicely with the bright red paint. All the wheels are in very good condition. The car does feature rear parking sensors as well. The first interim service has already been completed on the car earlier in the year, and obviously prior to anybody taking delivery of the car, the next due service would be completed as part of our Luscombe preparation process to make sure that the car is fully serviced and up to date before it leaves this dealership. We're just going to move on to the inside of the car now, just to have a look at the interior, in particular the rear seats and the rear upholstery. Looks in very good order. You've got the multimedia touchscreen, which we'll have a look in a little bit further detail in just a few moments' time. So you've got the multifunction steering wheel, your Bluetooth controls and your cruise control settings. You have automatic light functions and rain sensing wipers on this car. And there's your multimedia touchscreen, so it supports both Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. One final part I'll bring to your attention: when you're looking at the car on our website, don't forget to take the time to watch our technician's video appraisal of the car, which will have a look at the car from underneath and show you the great condition of the tyres, the suspension and the brakes. Any sales queries, please contact the team here at Luscombe Suzuki. Many thanks again for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.